OneRoad Lending, an affordable lease purchase program to help you get back on the road. A lease is a way in which customers can obtain the right to possess and use items that they love. Our lease structure provides customers with more flexibility and access than traditional financing. A lease is simply an alternative financing tool for customers to gain access to the things they want and need. Meet Jack and Diane and Spot. They're so excited to take their first road trip together. Early into their trip, Jack and Diane experience car trouble. Suddenly, their road trip vacation seems like it's not going to happen due to the high and unexpected costs of getting their car back on the road. Or so they think. The couple is introduced to OneRoad Lending at the repair shop, and suddenly the gloom of bruising their finances and ruining their vacation begins to lift. OneRoad Lending is here to save the day. Here's how it works. Jack and Diane get instantly approved online at OneRoadLending.com for up to $5,000. After finding out how much they're approved for, Jack and Diane are able to use their approval at any participating OneRoad Lending shop. They're able to use their approval on any auto product or auto product with repair. Upon selecting their auto product needs, the couple will sign an electronic lease agreement, and they'll make their first low monthly payment to the retailer. Jack and Diane are granted immediate access to their auto product. From there, OneRoad Lending provides the happy couple with a fixed low monthly payment that is flexible and tailored to fit their budget. OneRoad Lending reports to the credit bureau each month, allowing Jack and Diane to improve their credit each month if they pay on time. Yippee! So how does a lease work? A lease works exactly like it sounds. Here's an example. Jack and Diane were approved for $1,000 on a 12-month contract, which means they'll make 12 low fixed monthly payments. During the lease, OneRoad Lending owns the auto products. Jack and Diane can purchase the products from OneRoad at any time through the early buyout option and save money. Or they can purchase the products at the end of their 12-month lease term. If they do not want to purchase the products at the end of their lease, they can return them to OneRoad. OneRoad's program helps customers afford auto products and repairs when buying outright is not an immediate option. Now Jack and Diane are able to quickly get back on the road to enjoy their trip, thanks to OneRoad Lending. That's one excited couple. Don't forget to send us a postcard. OneRoad Lending.